Welcome back to this channel from wherever you're watching from any part of the world. So basically today we'll be discussing how to use TradingView, how you can set it up, the general overview of the work area. So that we'll be doing today. So let's go straight. So firstly, I will like to sign in a fresh account. So what you can do is go to click on TradingView. Let me just leave this alone. Let's just leave the account I signed. And this TradingView. So when you go to the first interface, will see or when you okay, yeah, probably the first interface. So let me just try and go back and see your tradingview.com. Okay, still give you the same interface, but there's another interface that looks. Let's see, products, market. Okay, just okay. Anyway, let's go back. So basically, it's TradingView. So for you to access any pair or any instrument you are looking for, just click on this search here or search, and let's say you want GU, UPUSD, UPUSD. So I was saying the PUSD. PUSD. So this just basically plain chat. Let me clear whatsoever might be here. I really like to log in with another account. So switch account. Need to log in with another account. Possible. Let me log in with another account. I want a fresh. Do I even need to log out that? Okay, so if you want to log in, you have to pick account. It will be logged in. Cool. So we're back in. Let us go to a very plain and fresh account. Okay. I use this as well. Remove this indicator. Remove this indicator. So let me change the view. Let me go to another pair entirely. DPY. Okay. Okay, this is another pair entirely. A clear chart, no analysis, nothing on it. So basically this where you have all your information, the data coming, where you see the different candle. But what I want to do I just want to walk you through. So for example, you open your TradingView, you can actually access the platform without necessarily signing in. But for keeping off track of your analysis, so it's best you sign. So you can just come to this side and then you're able to this is signed in already. You can log out and sign your own account. This is already see. Okay, so that just it. And if you want to do some setting, probably want to change it to dark mode, you can easily do that from here. Now where is where we have our tools for analysis. These tools here is where you have your tools for analysis. This tool bar here. Now at the upper part here, you have your menu bar where you can change your time frame, your candle, you can add your indicators, set alerts, do a replay, that is if you want to back test, you understand, and you'll see your pair and so many other things. You can save a screenshot of your analysis, probably for reference, or you want to show it to someone, you want to keep record, you want to keep track of your analysis, you can do that from there. So let's start. So from the top bar here, you have where you see your signed in details, probably whatsoever name you're using, you will see the first letter here. And the next thing you'll be seeing is where you can change your pairs. So when you click on it, you're able to search for a new pair that you want to change from here. Is it crypto, forex, stock, indices, bond? You can search for anything here. So that does, and you will notice that you search for DJPY, and it's so many. So what happens that we have single pair, but different brokers, different data they present at almost the same data, but at least probably a little bit of price difference that is very minute. So we have the brokers. So now depend on you, which broker do you want to actually be using their data to analyze. So that's what you now click on. So let's assume I want to use capital.com. Just click on it and it will load up. You see that there's no difference in what we have here and the previous one. So that is that. And all we have here is okay, like probably want to compare different pairs. You can search for another one here and it will be added. Let me see. Let's say GPP USD. So let's click on it. So you see that it has added. So this is the pair you are comparing that is in line. So this red line is the pair you are comparing, while this real chart is the JPY you are having here. So you don't need it, so you can just delete it off. So that just how you do that. Then the next is your time frame. Yeah, why are you seeing all this time frame laid down here? Because I've started them that I want to have easy access to them. So if I click on it, like it will remove it. If I will remove it from favorite, because I've actually added favorite, that's why it's showing there. So you can easily remove it from favorite. But let's click it so you can have easy access. So from here you can have access to as long as possible you want to do, as far back as 1 year. And don't forget that each time frame you are using, it depends that each candle you are seeing on your chart represent that particular time frame. So if you are on 1 hour time frame, each candle represents 1 hour before it forms completely. You understand? Before that um, candle form complete, it took 1 hour. So if you click on 6 months, it means you'll be seeing each candle is forming. So which means this current candle that is forming, it has been bullish for the past 6 months, and the market has been trying to clear to the upside for the past 6 months. Yes, and if you see where it started currently, started as at July 24, July this year 2024, and currently we are almost half of the year. So that's it for you. You can now go back to probably your daily time frame, your 4 hour, just to look at different time frame that you are. So we are not doing analysis, we just want to show you how to use TradingView, where to go to select something. Now if you want to change your chart, your candle representation, you can come here, you see candles, click on it and you have different candle you can make use of. But the best one we use is let me say I use is the candlestick. Yeah, the Japanese candlestick. Why do I use that most of the time? Because it has an encompass information that I need to make trading decision in the market. So you can decide to change it to line, you can change it to step, depending on what suits your own level of understanding of trading or analysis. So but best bet for me, I'll just leave it at candle and I'm good with that. So that's where you change it. Then you have your indicators. You can add indicate if you're on premium account, you can add as many indicators as you like on your chart. But if you are on free accounts, I guess the maximum you can add should be 3. Yes, the maximum you can add should be 3. So you just search for whatever indicator you need and you can just click on it. You have it. So you see, if you like click on it, I have it showing. So this day one I click on it, showing different volume of each candle. I don't need it, so you can easily also, when you look over to this side where you have your sell buy, below it you have your indicator showing, so you can easily delete it off. You don't need it, you delete it off, so and it will be removed from your chart. So that is that for indicator. And then this indicator, okay, for example, you've added indicators and you want to keep it as a template. So when you open that chart, you can easily call back the template you save. So you can easily save indicator template here, and you give it a name that you will be able to remember. And when you are done, just click on save and it will be saved. So whenever you click open another pair entirely, you can easily just come back to insert the saved template. And here you have alert. You can easily set alert. For example, you are expecting a price to get to a particular point, but you don't want to use a sell limit order or buy limit order. You want the market to alert you first. Then you can now take action at that point, whatsoever action you decide to take. So you can easily set it here. Alert name can give you probably, let's say, DJ buy alert. So when message crossing, so maybe when price crosses this particular level, you'll be message. And is it once you want it, or you want it to be every time? Let's say once. So just click on create and you are good. And you are good to
attention.
You are good to go. So the alert has been set, and immediately I am having the alert already. The alert is on.
Attention.
So
attention.
That is that about our alert. You understand? Then the next is replay. Replay will mostly on TradingView. Replay will work, but you can only have access to it if you are a premium customer, a premium user. Only have access to be a premium user. So you only have access to the replay function if you're a premium user. For me, this account is on premium. So for example, let me say I want to backtest, just drag it to where you want to, and the recent activities will clear the way. Then you have this is your own current price, where price is currently. This 18th of October. So this where price is currently. So you can now play it. Okay, pause, and do you I think this market still will continue to buy. So you can now set your long position and say, okay, when market gets to this level, let me just buy. You understand? So you can put your stop loss below the previous low. Yeah. So let's see how it's going to play out. That just how you back test. See, market did not actually pick our entry, but let's assume it picked it. It would have been in profit, and our stop loss would have somewhere here. It would be good. You understand? So that just back tested for you. You need to back test it for you. We go into details later, and I just want to show you how to use those buttons and those functions on TradingView. So that is that. So now we are in the current day. So that is that. Then after that you have okay, undo scroll. Okay, maybe you make a click and undo it. Go back to the previous. That's just the button there. So yeah, okay, you can auto save your analysis, your activities on it will auto save itself. Auto save itself. You can export your chart data, create a layer, make a copy, all those stuff you can do. You can have a quick search. Say anything you get, maybe you are looking for a tool that you need. You can easily search for it. Oh, I need a long position to easily search for it. Then you have chart settings. So here you can set your chart as you wish, as you please. Understand? See background gradients, you can change it. Yeah, just cancel, we don't need it. Understand? So that just setting. Yeah, you can change it to full screen. Understand? Just click escape, return it back. Then here you can save have a snapshot of your chart. So let's say, yeah, this you want a snapshot of this kind of, click on it and you click on download. It will automatically download it to your system. So I hope you understand how to use and the function of this top bar. Yes, now so let's go to the sidebar, the tools here. Now for the tools here, I don't really want this video to be too long, but let's just speak to one. For the tools here, we have so many that is embedded. These one are just the recently used one. So yeah, what you notice is that whenever you roll over on these tools, you will see a small arrow pointing. So when you click on it, you will see more tools that you can make use of. The same thing. So here you have your trend line, here you have trend line, ray, info line, extended, depending on what you want to achieve, what you want to see in the market, the information you want to get. You have different tools that can help you with that analysis. You have so many Fibonacci treatment to everything that you can pay, guide box. So the more you embed yourself into learning how to trade, then you will know some tools that is needed for you for proper analysis and to make an informative decision. Don't forget, trading itself is a business of probability, not a business of certainty. So why do you analyze? Why do you do all this analysis? Because so that you can gather information that is detailed enough to give you an edge in the market. You understand, to be able to make profits and have less losses. You can't override loss. Our win should be greater than our loss. That won't make us profitable. So that is that. So control, you have this ABC pattern. This is one we help you with chart pattern. You have the head and shoulder. So whenever you see, oh, I'm seeing a kind of head and shoulder pattern on the chart, okay, then you can now use that tool to confirm your suspicion or whatsoever you are seeing. So like here now we can say, oh, we are seeing an head and shoulder pattern. So let me point it out. See, so our movement is coming here. When you get to this point, there's a reversal here. Come to this head and pull back to another shoulder and what happen? Drops. So this is typical head and shoulder pattern. And you can say, okay, this is where we have back for. Yeah, I think here is better, almost on the same level. That does not mean that your head and shoulder should always be on the same level and be like this stand. So and you have a huge drop because most of the time head and shoulder pattern appears at the top, that is at the resistance when the price already bought so much that there's overbought of the price already and it's ready to sell off. So that's where you will most likely see head and shoulder. It's only the inverted head and shoulder that you will be seeing at the support level. Understand? So I've shown you head and shoulder pattern that I've spotted. So that just basically, so you can make use of all that too. So probably you want to go draw and resistance line for your support or resistance. You can easily spot it there. So you want to cross across so many prices before and even in the future to come. Just use your horizontal line and place it wherever you are and you're good. So that's how you just make it. Then you have your ruler to mention the number of pips that market has moved. So currently in this we have 3 pips moved from the external level we spotted. So that's basically how to analyze and use your trading view. How to use your trading view. Probably you want to write text, you can easily make your video. Understand? So you can easily, maybe you need an information to write somewhere here. That's text for you. And if you are using an external mouse, if you roll your ball up, it will zoom out. Then if you roll it down, it will zoom in for you to see the wider view of the chart. So that's just a tip. And you can easily go down here and zoom out, then zoom in. Understand? You can move from one side to the other with this or this, and also refresh your chart as well. So that to use how to use TradingView basically. I guess I've actually covered a lot. So other tools are just basically things you can just check out. Or probably you have a reaction. Maybe you caught a very good setup. Now want to put a smiley emoji. You can easily insert it. Where is it? That's so you can easily put it there. Wow, I caught a great move. So that's just it. Don't need it, you can delete it off. So that is basically that. I hope this is helpful. I hope you understand, and I hope you've been able to learn one or two things. Please do hit the subscribe button, give a like, and kindly drop your comment. If there's anything you still want me to address, kindly drop in the comment section, and I promise to make a video that will explain in details, and I will do more video on how I analyze markets, how I set up my own work area, things I put in place. You understand? And the basic indicators I use. Though I don't really like this grid, I prefer using pure price action because indicator fails. They fail. At least I know that they fail. Nothing is actually 100% perfect. So I prefer using price action. Let me be able to spot what I'm seeing myself and make a decision. You understand? So that's that. Thank you very much for staying for this long. Do have a wonderful day. I thank you. See you next time.